Today on How To Blinds, we're going to measure up for a perfect fit shutter light. We're going to measure the window from bead to bead, so we're going to check our window is suitable for the perfect fit shutter light. First, it is vital that the window has a curved bead to ensure the brackets can be installed. A square bead will not be suitable. If you're working with an external bead, we'll have to measure the size of the gasket and make sure it's under 5mm. If it measures under 5mm, you can continue measuring the window, ensuring you measure from bead to bead and not from the edge of the gasket. Lastly, we need to check if there's any obstructions around the window. If there is an obstruction, make sure it's at least 25mm away from the edge of the bead. Now we can get on with measuring the window. So we'll start by measuring the width. Take 3 measurements from the bottom, middle, and top. And take a note of the largest width of the 3, ensuring your measurement is accurate to the millimetre. Now we'll do the same for the height, once again measuring from bead to bead. Measure 3 points from the left, middle, and right. And take a note of the largest measurement of the 3. Now we'll have to measure the bead depth. This will determine what size bracket we require. Using a credit card as a guide, take a note of the measurement from the glass to the edge of the card. This is your bead depth. Now we can do the same for the top window. Take a note of the largest width, the largest height, and the bead depth. As this window has a handle, we'll have to measure its location for our rebate. Take a measurement from the left-hand side of the bead to the pivot point on the handle. And note down the measurement. And that's how to measure for your perfect fit shutter light. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.